Dahil nga sa kagagaling lang natin kahapon sa Piyesta ng Nazareno, eto na naman ang ating reaction for the day. Mga nilalantakan ng mga foreigners ang ating mga pagkain na masasarap dito sa Pilipinas. Aba, umaabot na talaga sa ibang bansa ang ating mga paboritong pagkain dito sa Pilipinas. Kaya kung nagustuhan mo ito, please comment down below kayo, like and subscribe sa ating channel. To po ang Wow Philippines. Panuorin natin kung gaano nila tikman ito.
First off, we have lechon. Are you familiar with this by any chance?
It looks like chicharron.
Because it basically is, because it's deep fried pork belly slabs.
Did a Mexican make this?
Filipinos and Mexicans were like cousins.
Shout out to all the primos out there in the Philippines, bro. Look, y'all eat chicharron, I eat chicharron.
Also, why do you get a sauce and I don't? I want some sauce on mine.
Because I'm special. Ooh, it smells good.
Could you please spare some sauce, sir?
I'll give you some sauce. Ooh, yeah, and the rice too.
I forgot to mention, don't forget at the end of the video, I have a special Filipino delicacy for you. Do you know what this is?
I think I know what that is, and I've never had that before.
I think you'll like it.
I'm excited.
We'll find out.
Ready?
Hold on, I'm trying to grab it. Hold on, I can't grab it.
Stab it.
I'm trying.
Oh,
Crispy, very crispy.
Crunchy.
That sauce is sweet. I like it. It's
Grabe,
sweet, but it's
sarap.
not overly sweet. Like, it doesn't take away the flavor from the actual lechon.
I'm just trying. There's a big bite. The sauce doesn't overpower it. It's really good. It just,
I could imagine if you ate a plate full of this, like, your mouth would be very tired at the end.
I'm still chewing. But this,
Hamakin mo no kung gaano ka tawag dito, pang buong mundo na ang ating mga pagkain talaga, no? Dahil bakit naman iba-vlog nila itong mga pagkaing Pilipino ay hindi naman sila Pilipino. Ibig sabihin, talagang paborito na nila at gusto na nilang matikman lahat at ipapatikim din nila sa mga ibang lahi. Grabe.
this little gravy sauce with it, wow.
Okay, Ramon, so what would you rank this?
This is easy. S tier.
S tier, really?
It's S tier. This is the food of the gods. You could eat this for breakfast, lunch, and dinner.
Next up, we have puto.
Would you call me?
I said puto.
Huh?
No, I'm talking about the food dish, man.
Are you sure?
Puto.
This is puto?
Yeah, yeah.
Puto.
This is the only time we can say the word without doing something bad. It's a dessert, dude. Open it up.
Let's see what this puto is. Looks cute. Let's
Wow.
try some of this puto.
That's good looking puto.
Oh, this is the
Puto
best looking
bumbong.
puto.
I've never seen a puto look better than that.
I love puto.
It's not good puto or what?
I don't really taste much with this puto. Kind of tastes like nothing to me. I thought it was gonna be sweet. Don't throw the puto.
Very chewy.
I didn't get a real flavor out of it.
There's no taste. Yeah, you're
Sticky
right.
rice.
That puto's bland.
Big
Is something
sticky
wrong with
rice.
this puto?
I would say I'm a little disappointed because it's not sweet.
Just like you're chewing water with coconut shavings. I want to give it an F. No taste, no sweetness. It's just chewy.
We have lumpia, Ramon.
I've had these before.
Essentially, it looks like
Paborito.
like really mini, skinny egg rolls.
So these are like healthy, right?
I don't think that's how it works, dude. But maybe.
I can eat like double.
Well, technically, if you eat two of these, it probably barely equals one like regular egg roll.
So
So,
they're healthy.
Sarap yan.
So we only have one sauce.
but just so you know, I double dip.
I triple dip.
Wow, triple dip. May mga matamis
Man, I
yan.
gotta give it to Filipinos. Y'all pop off when you make food.
It's bomb. I need the recipe. I need the chef's
Actually.
address because I'm trying to pull up.
Oh.
This is so good.
Because it's smaller, you taste like the insides more
Yes.
versus like the
Double
bigger
the
egg
dip.
rolls.
This is
Double
perfect.
the
This
lumpia
sauce
is
with the
very
lumpia.
delicious.
This is beautiful. This is art.
Grabe.
This is food.
Lumpia, 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 lumpia.
Nagustuhan
This is
nila.
S tier. No questions, ands, ifs,
Grabe.
or buts.
If you don't think that's an S tier, then you're an F tier.
Wow.
Yes. If you never tried lumpia, go right now. Stop what you're doing. If you're in the middle of a work project, just quit. Go.
Sabi ko na sa inyo, parang malalampasan pa yung adobo natin kaysa sa lumpia eh. Ang lumpia talaga parang ano na siya, no? Superstar na rin ang lumpia. Grabe.
Go to the nearest Filipino restaurant, order 100 of these, and you'll be happy.
Wow.
Halo halo, shaved
halo.
ice dessert, and on the bottom you got some beans.
Are those actually beans?
Yo, those are actually beans on the bottom of your dessert.
These are actually beans? Like pinto beans for dessert? You know what? I never had a bean I didn't like.
It might be good though. Maybe the Filipinos are onto something. Hold on.
Filipinos be cooking. I'ma trust them.
It looked like there's like a piece of hair hanging.
Oh,
there.
yeah.
Hair pizza.
Did you get hair in your dessert, bro? Nah, you did.
Whose beans y'all get these from? Ain't no way. Let's just go for it, man.
Wow.
It's sweet. It's good. Hold on.
What does a bean taste like?
It just absorbs the sweetness. Hold on. Let them cook, bro.
Wow,
Hold it
what's up?
right there. It's like almost like a boba.
Very, very sweet for sure. Like that's definitely a dessert. And then the beans don't take away the flavor; it just adds to the texture of it.
Yeah, I like beans with dessert.
You gonna start putting beans on your ice cream or what? I gotta say, a Filipino food is very unique.
Unique, full of flavor, and made with love. They enjoy
Yeah,
eating
you
out there.
know.
I could tell. This is perfect.
What would you rank it?
I would give this an S. This on a hot summer day, after you had some
Tatlo na, no?
lechon and some lumpia, you're good to go.
Kare, which is a beef stew
Wow.
simmered in peanut sauce.
Okay, I've never had peanut sauce stew before. Yeah, but what's this though?
I believe it's called a bagoong sauce.
Kompleto.
It's a shrimp
Grabe.
paste.
Smells fishy for sure.
So you're supposed to
Kasi kung kakain ka kasi ng kare-kare na walang bagoong, ay walang lasa yan, no? Di ba? Ang malalasahan mo lang dito ay peanut lang. Pero kung meron siya talagang sangkap o pares na bagoong, yun talaga ang kanyang magic sarap. Magic sarap, pares niya. Grabe.
get some of the meat and the stew, and then
Wow.
you're supposed to get some rice at the same time. I taste the
Oh,
peanut.
very delicious.
Very tender.
Super tender.
Wow.
That just melted in my mouth.
Although it has a peanut butter sauce, it doesn't really taste that sweet.
Ooh,
No,
very
It tastes a little on the blander side, I would say.
Yes. No, yeah. I expected this to taste exactly like peanut butter. It's like a more of a
Peanut
subtle
butter.
peanut taste.
That
No,
is the ingredient,
it's good.
peanut butter. Wow.
The sauce is full of flavor.
The sauce adds the sweetness that it needed.
This packs a punch. I didn't even add that much. This by itself is like subtle.
So it makes sense now because the stew is more on the bland side, but it's because after you have to add the bagoong sauce,
Yes.
which gives it the sweetness.
The whole thing together, I have to put an 8 tier. The meat is so tender. It melts in your mouth. Filipinos, y'all know how to cook.
We have chicken adobo,
like the
aka
food.
the
They
Filipino
like the Filipino
national
food.
dish.
So this is it.
This is it.
This is the one.
This is him. This should be good because if it's a national dish, it has to be good.
It better be good. No, it better.
Alam mo, pagka-reaction natin ay pagkain, puro na lang ako wow kung bakit nyo bakit nagtataka kayo kasi I love foods, no? I love to eat Filipino foods, actually. No, grabe talaga.
No, it better be great. It looks fantastic. It smells fantastic.
Oh, that's
Parang
good.
nasa
That's pretty
langit
good,
siya, oh.
dude. Holiness.
I'm mad right now. I'm so mad. I have not had chicken adobo all these years.
Adobo.
Filipino food.
Oh.
I've been sleeping on you.
This is freaking delicious.
I'm kind of speechless.
No, it's
Alam
perfect.
mo sa chicken adobo, lagyan mo ng kunting asukal, no? Lalo na kung red asukal. Red sugar ang ilalagay mo dyan to better sweetness. Oh, grabe, di ba?
It's perfect.
Yes. No, like there's no notes.
The meat is tender.
Wow.
The juice is sweet.
It's so good. Yes. You said it all. Hold on. Dang, the national dish of the Philippines. This should be the national dish of the world. This is S tier. This is triple S. Filipinos got
Wow.
Manny Pacquiao, chicken adobo,
Triple S.
and lumpia. Cut the camera, bro. Like, let me finish.
Dinuguan, which is a Filipino savory stew
Dinuguan.
made of pork,
Live
opal, simmered in a rich, spicy, dark gravy of pig blood, garlic, chili, and vinegar.
These are parts of the pig that I've never heard of, but it's pork, so it must be good.
It kind of looks like mole.
Yes. So the color's from the pig blood, I'd imagine.
This is good. But it's kind of sweet.
No, it is. It's good.
It has like a citrusy slash sour or sweet.
I do get the citrusy like towards the end. I don't know what ofo is, but I like it. I like this
Oh,
broth is
the
good.
one-
It tastes better than it looks.
Yes,
Grabe.
it does look scarier for the American palate, but man, this is full of flavor. It packs a punch. Try things. I was
Wow.
scared, but I put this A tier.
You know what? I'm right there with you, A-tier.
Wow,
Okay,
hindi
next
mo
up we have
sabaw.
pancit, which is a classic Filipino dish made with
Grabe.
stir-fried rice noodles, cabbage, carrots, and shrimp.
What more do you want?
Am I tripping or does it look like hash browns, bro?
It does.
Let's see if it tastes like hash browns.
Think about me. If I see noodles, I'm eating them.
Oh!
I mean,
Sarap yan.
excuse me.
I feel like the flavor's not jumping at me.
It's not jumping, but it's good. This is like light to eat, you know?
Yeah,
Yeah,
it doesn't
you know.
feel heavy. Like, this is something I could eat and probably go on with my day. I don't need to take a nap after.
This is my American side speaking. I would use this as a side. I mean, like, I'll mess this up by itself. I do like the shrimp, so it has protein. The noodles is good. This isn't something I'm like, yo, I need more.
Yeah, I feel like this is
Malabo.
something I would eat if I want like a quick meal.
This is missing a little oomph.
I'd probably rank it. I want to say it's C tier.
That's what I think it is. C tier. I don't think it's bad,
Ah.
but it's just missing a little flavor.
Right here we have sisig, which is a
Wow,
dish
that's
made from
very
pork
delicious
jowl,
too.
ears, pork belly, chicken liver, and it's seasoned with calamansi, onions, and chili
Calamansi.
peppers.
What's jow and calamansi?
I don't know half of those ingredients to be honest.
But it looks good. I
Wow.
do see the peppers. Smells like a little black pepper in there.
Oh.
I'm not sure what I'm tasting.
There's a lot of textures going in my mouth.
I feel like I'm tasting like a
Grabe,
little
no?
bit of like a charred taste.
I taste the char,
Ah,
yes. I
gutom ako.
don't know if there's beef here, but I do get like a beef flavor almost.
The vegetables aren't popping out at me.
No, I thought it would be spicier.
Ooh.
No, it's not spicy at all. There's zero spice to this.
I do get a lot of pork flavor though.
I do like the aspect that it's like crunchy on some bites and then other bites are a little chewy, so it's kind of like a mixture of both.
The texture is good, but it's hard to make out what each thing is. You know,
Ooh.
it just tastes like chopped up pork to me.
So what would you rank it?
I don't think the flavor's popping out like to me a lot. I do like the bits, the textures. I do like. I do wish it was spicier though.
Yes.
Yeah, there's not much spice, but I mean, you can always add more spice.
I'll give this a B.
I was thinking the same thing. I was kind of like in between a B and a C tier, so I'll go with you on a B tier. Sinigang, which is a popular Filipino soup made from tamarindo.
Tamarindo.
Tamarindo is isang
I
palad.
don't really smell the tamarind, but I guess I'm also expecting like just Mexican candy.
Yeah,
tamarind.
don't get worried because
Tamarindo.
Mexicans were used to tamarind and
Tamarindo in
candies.
Mexico.
This one's in a soup, so it's a little
Mexico.
different.
Let's see how it tastes.
It doesn't look intimidating. It looks like like a.
It's like caldo.
Eto.
It's very sweet.
I got a sour.
I feel like that lemon taste really overpowers the whole thing.
No, it does, but I like it.
I feel like this would be better if you ate it with like rice.
Gutom.
This is pretty strong.
Grabe, super.
Yeah, the rice would like kind of balance it out.
With the pork, I think it's good because like the pork flavor just absorbs the juice. Don't you like everything Filipino?
Would you eat this again?
I would. I wouldn't say it's my favorite thing. I'm also not into like soups like that.
I think I would give it like a C tier personally.
I agree. Like this isn't bad. Like it's not bad at all. But when you have like the other food,
Okay, Ramon, last but not least, I have the
Balut.
Filipino delicacy for you, balut. Balut is a fertilized
Balut
duck
na.
egg. And
The
you know what that
last
means?
there's a duck that was fertilized in here.
Yes, that's exactly what it means, actually. Is you're gonna crack open the thicker side of the egg, and then you just peel off the top.
I see like veins and like a big yellow thing.
That's the yolk.
Okay.
First thing you gotta do is sip on the soup inside of it, the juice.
Ooh, okay. All right, let me just say I'm very scared, but here I go.
Oh,
This is the easy part, dude.
I barely got juice.
that is protein.
Like egg soup.
I mean, that's literally what it is. Egg soup, yeah. The next step, the fun part, get your spoon and you're gonna scoop into it, and then you should get a duck. That right there is the actual egg
Oh.
part, and if you open it up, the duck should be inside of there.
So mine looks like mine was young, so I just eat it.
Pull it out of the white part. There it is. Have you ever ate something like this before?
Never in my life. Ooh, got the neck. You eat the whole thing.
Yeah, you just eat the whole thing.
I've never had anything remotely close to this.
3, 2, 1.
Tastes like chicken.
It's not bad, right?
It's not bad.
It looks a lot worse than it is.
Yes. Visually, there's a little bird in my hand. It just tastes like chicken. A little chicken nugget, you know?
So what would you rank Baloo?
I didn't think it was the best thing. Overall experience, because like you have to take it out, I give it a B.
Yeah, Baloo is all about the experience for sure. Shout out to the Philippines.
Make sure you guys subscribe.
Ayan na, dahil nagustuhan nila talaga ang mga pagkaing Pilipino, no? Unti-unti yan, no? Ma-accept nila na mga ganitong pagkain ng Pilipino ay grabe, delicious, tasty talaga, grabe, super talaga. Kaya, babalik-balikan nila ito, hahanap-hanapin na nila ito kung ano magugustuhan nila dyan. Kaya please po, support kayo sa ating channel. Wow! Philippines. At nagutom ako dun sa mga nilantakan ng mga ito, no? Talagang kung ako din ang pagpipiliin ay pagkaing Pilipino pa rin talaga kahit makakatikim man siguro ako ng mga pagkaing abroad. Philippine food pa rin. Philippines food pa rin. Talagang masarap yan eh. Comment down below kayo, like and subscribe kung nagustuhan nyo ang aking channel na ito. Ito po ay talagang nagmamahal sa ating bansang Pilipinas, sa ating mga kultura, sa ating mga kapwa-tao, at sa mga masasarap nating mga pagkain. Ito ang Wow Philippines. Maraming salamat. Keep safe. God bless. Comment down below kayo. Mag-support na kayo. Subscribe.